loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on this quick little holiday look. We're in quarantine, so I don't even know if there's going to be any holiday parties, but we can still look cute indoors. So we're going to start off by applying some powder underneath our eyes, just because as you can see I've already done my base, so I don't really want any fallout or anything to mess up my concealer. So I'm just going to apply some powder and basically just use it to also bake as well, so it's going to serve as a two-in-one combo. Yeah, so the palette we're using today is this Juvia's Place palette. It's super pretty, love the color story, and we're just using this warm brown shade to serve as our transition color. And yeah, so I'm just placing that in my crease and I'm just blending it out using this nice fluffy brush. Now I'm picking up this, it's a more orange tone color, but I don't know why the picture on Google looks red, but it's not actually red, so it's just like a deeper orange shade. And I'm just placing that directly on top of the first color that we just applied. And I'm using a more dense brush to apply this, so it's going to just pick up a lot more color. I'm just packing that on using like a patting motion to really build up the color, and then I go back in with my fluffy brush to blend. Now I'm going into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. I'm picking up this brown shade and I'm just going to use this to really add some depth and definition into my crease. So I'm just mainly focusing on the outer corners just to really give me that nice smoky eye effect, because I feel like this works well with my eye shape. So yeah, I'm just doing that, as you can see, and dragging it a little bit into the inner corners of the eyes. I'm grabbing the Too Faced glitter glue and I'm just placing a little bit, just a nice thin even layer on my eyelid, and then I'm going to be placing right on top of it this beautiful iridescent like purpley pink, like it's a really cool color from the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just popping that on with my finger, just really packing it on so I can get the most color payoff. But yeah, it's a really beautiful color, I absolutely love it. And yeah. Now I just grab a clean brush and I'm just using that to blend out the eyeshadow some more, just to really diffuse the colors. Yeah, so the brush doesn't have anything on it, like I said, just clean brush. Now to just highlight the inner corners, I'm going in with this light cream color from the Anastasia palette, and I'm just popping that into the inner corners of my eyes. Moving right along, we're going to be lining the lash line with it's a gel liner pencil from, I think it's Kiss New York, and I get this from my beauty supply store. It's absolutely amazing, guys. $2. It's very creamy, waterproof, and it lasts like the whole day, and it's perfect. We're going to be applying another layer of the Too Faced glitter glue, and we're going into the glitter palette. And as you can see, I'm popping on this pink purple funky glitter color right on top of the eyeshadow, and I just thought this just give it a nice pop. Moving right along, we're going to be smoking out the bottom lash line. I use this dark brown shade from the ABH palette, and I'm just smoking it out just to really give me a nice dramatic effect. And as you can see, I've also put on my eyelashes. So now I'm just dusting off the excess powder from my face just to finish up everything, and to dust off all the fallout. But there was honestly barely any fallout. But yeah, so just clean off the powder, and now we're going to move on to the lips, guys. I'm using my staple Roasted Coffee Lip Pencil by Ruby Kisses. For the lip color, I'm using the NYX Lip Lingerie. I'll put the name in the description box for you all, and just pop that on your lips. And then for lip gloss, I'm using the Kiko Milano lip gloss, one of my favorites as well. I'm running low and I need to order a new one as soon as possible. But yeah, it's so beautiful, very glossy, and it doesn't give you that sticky feeling. So I really like it. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing. Now, just to add some nice holiday glow, we're going to be using this loose highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I get this one from Walmart. It's really affordable, but it's beautiful, and the pigmentation is amazing. Honestly, it's very comparable to like more high-end highlighters. But yeah, look at that glow, guys. Like, I mean, it's insane. But yeah, so just apply it to your cheekbones, to honestly anywhere. I also applied a little bit on my collarbone as well, just to really add that nice glow and pop. Now, just to seal everything and make sure everything lasts all day, I'm spraying some satin spray, and this is from Mario Badescu. And this is the finished look, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me a comment below what your plans are for the holiday season, especially during quarantine. Like, what are you going to do? Are you with family or friends, or what's going on? But yeah, so let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my socials. And I'll see you all in my next one. God bless you all. Bye.